Alrighty guys, here's a quick video on how to install the Intel NUC VESA adapter. This particular one is by a brand called Jintai. First, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna install the screws, but don't over tighten them because you're not gonna be able to install the actual bracket. As you see right here, I was struggling with it. I undid the entire bottom panel just to see if I could take out the screws, but I ended up just leaving everything as is and just mounted everything back and just tightening down the actual screw legs to the NUC itself. Alright, so right here I pretty much just undid the screws as light as possible and then tighten it down. I inadvertently tightened it too much where it actually bent the mount itself, as you'll see right here. Next step is the HumanCentric VESA monitor mount extension plate. I didn't want it to be mounted straight onto the back of the monitor since I already have the monitor mounted. I wanted to have it offset. So this right here came in handy with that. Right here you do see all the hardware that it comes with. The little manual. And also a diagram on how to physically install the extension plate. Alrighty, so I took my monitor down and I'm taking the actual bracket off, and as you can see, yes, it does have a VGA port. It's an old monitor that we have no use for, so I ended up just using it in my little workshop area. Here I'm actually putting on the hardware that's necessary for the bracket to be mounted properly. I had to go with this kind of a configuration due to the HDMI cord being literally blocked by the plate, but you can mount it either left, top, or right. Alrighty, so right here I'm adjusting the screw tension a bit. That way the NUC is not just very loosely sitting on it. And then right here, this should do it. It's a snug fit right now. I did also end up picking up an HDMI cable. It's a 1 foot by Cable Direct. It looks like it's a very neat fit behind the monitor. Other than that, if you guys liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.